For 2017, Aprilia has given the Shiver 900 major improvements with regards to the exteriors, with fresh new body kit including a new headlamp unit, tank extensions and body and tail panels. Keeping the best part about the motorcycle intact, that is easy rideability, the bike has managed to become more seductive than before. The naked street fighter from No Ale gets fresh new side covers on the fuel tank, side panels, tail fairing and front mudguard that enhances the aesthetics of the muscular silhouette from before. It also manages to retain the Italian with its racing red tubular frame, wheel rims, frame, shock absorber spring and cylinder head covers. Out front, the headlamp unit misses the bikini fairings it carried previously and gets a sharper looking headlamp instead. The strongly tapering tail also incorporates the twin exhaust with circular silencers, a feature which makes the design even more aggressive, while keeping weight distribution highly symmetrical. The adoption of a side shock absorber not only adds a further distinctive feature but also enables a rational and compact exhaust system to be fitted. The motorcycle gets an all-new modern 4.3 inches TFT instrument cluster which borrows from the Aprilia RS V4 and Aprilia Chihuahua 1100 V4 versions. This light-sensitive screen gives out clear and highly legible readings and can be wirelessly connected to your smartphone device via the optional AMP kit.